What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. Just giving you these throwback videos, like I said, until my office space getting inspected so I can bring you guys new content. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, man. More content coming for you guys very, very soon. Let's go ahead and get back to this throwback video of what I bought and what I sold this M35X for. This was the four-wheel drive. It was a 2006 Infiniti. This bad boy was a nice car. The paint was fading on it though, as you can see already in the video. The clear coat was fading on the car. That was the only thing. It had 20-inch rims on it, kind of like the rims on it, but they had like a lot of curb rash and everything. I had a lot of people hit me up and ask for the originals, but when I bought the car, it came with the wheels, so I'm not sure if people didn't like the style of the wheels or whatever, but I did end up selling the car anyway to somebody who did like the wheels. So I guess it's just personal preference. I bought this car for $3,100, which I thought was an excellent deal. Had 163,000 miles on it, and as you can see, it's the M35X. I like the dual exhaust on it and everything. This bad boy was real clean, man. And the only thing too was the driver door. I don't know if you guys can see when I walk over there. Yeah, as you can see, like the driver's door is a little bit lighter than the rest of the car. But that was the only thing. So this car had a lot of cosmetic damage on it. I mean, outside work, not damage, but a lot of the outside work that needed to be fixed. Tires were good and everything all the way around. This did have the keyless entry, but when I bought the car, it did not work, so I had to manually get in and out. But other than that, man, this car was very nice, man. I had 163,000 miles on it, had the backup camera and everything, navigation. Inside was clean, as you can see, fairly clean, fairly nice, fairly clean. I ended up selling this car for $3,750, so it made a couple of $100. So yeah, this car was a nice car. The only thing, the AC worked, the heat worked. Yeah, I think there was nothing wrong with this car. Oh yeah, no, there it was, the driver's side window. Driver's side window also didn't raise down on this car, and that BDC light, as you can see on the dash, that light stayed on. I'm not sure if it was because of the wheels or whatnot, but the light stayed on. It didn't affect the way the car drive, but it did stay on. And I'm about to go ahead and mess with the window right now. See, I couldn't get it down at all, but in this video it just magically went down. And I was actually at a Best Buy parking lot, and it took me forever to get it back up because I had been driving with it down, and because I had mastered it, but then next thing you know, it didn't work. So yeah, guys, $3,750. Let me know what you guys think. Guys think I could have sold it for a little bit more. I know I didn't have the original wheels though. A lot more content coming for you guys very soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, guys. Got a lot of content, like I say, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.